Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is December the 9th, 2018, and I wanted to show you my lavender here. Now this is a true lavender. This is one of the ones that I started from seed indoors, and I transplanted it out earlier in the season, and I just seen it today, and it is still alive. It's still going. This is one that actually started in January the 3rd actually. And just wanted to show you this here. Now we do have snow on the ground. I'm gardening in Pennsylvania in zone 5B. And so far this one is appearing to be a perennial for us. I have another one over here that I started from seed that I did transplant out. So I'm going to show you that one real quick. And this one here is the true lavender. I think I know where I put the lady lavender. I'm not 100% sure, but I think it's this other one over here. So this one down here, I believe, is the lady lavender. I got to get the stuff out from around it. I'll probably do that in the springtime. But they are appearing to be perennial for me. They're still going. They didn't die out over the winter. And there's actually more back here. See the plant there. Now one of my cosmos actually fell on it some, so I'll have to get that out later on. I don't want to disturb anything around them because I want to let them go and let them have the protection from the winter. So I just wanted to give you this quick update on this. So if you just want to check out the video I did on how I actually germinated my lavender seeds, that's on my channel. So I'll put a link down in the description for that, and you can see how I planted and germinated the seeds, what I fed them, how I took care of them, and you can watch the whole playlist on that. Now, I did take one of my lavender plants indoors that I had in a container growing, but it seems to be the stuff outside is doing better than the one that I took inside. So probably in the springtime, if it makes it through the winter indoors, I will be just planting it out in the ground and letting it go like that. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!